Now let's look at a time and speed question, right? In a car race, car A beats car B by 45 kilometers. Okay, just draw something. A beats B by 45. B beats C by 50. That is when B completes over here. C is over here, and 50 is the gap. And car A beats C, and car is A is there. A beats C by 90 kilometers. So it's another 45 over here. B and C are there in both the cases, and we need to find the distance over which the race has been conducted. Right. So for B and C, I know the ratio of distance the same as ratio of speed. Between these two scenarios, when B covers 45, C over here, which was 90 away, is now 50 away, has covered 40 kilometers. The ratio of speeds or ratio of distance covered is 9:8, right? Divided by 5. Now, the gap over here, when B completes the race, the difference over here is one part, and that is 50 kilometers. The total race is that of 9 parts, whereas B is covered. That comes to 450 kilometers, and option 1, 450, becomes the answer for this question. Right, so this is a very standard type of question. All right, so wherein you have the gaps over here, or rather A is beating B by how many kilometers given, right? 3 of these kilometers are typically given, and then the length of the race is asked, right? To give it to you or explain to you in a nutshell, right, what's happened over here is we have to work with ratios, not use variables, right? And between these two scenarios, a scenario 1 and a scenario 2, B and C are there in both, right? Within this time frame, right, these two snapshots where time is constant, what is the ratio of distance covered by them? When B covers 45 to complete the race, that is 45 over here, C over here, who was 90 away, has become only 50 away from finish line, right? That means C has completed 90 minus 50, 40 kilometers in that time frame. So 45 is to 40 is 9:8. That's the ratio of distance, which is also the ratio of speeds. But I also know that over the length of this race, when B completed, C was 50 kilometers behind. So when B ran 9 parts, C had run 8 parts, and the difference was 1 part, which was 50 kilometers, the distance between them. If 1 part is 50, then 9 parts is 450. But why does this become the length of the race? Because B has completed the race at this point. We are looking at scenario 2 over here, and that's when B is completed. That's the track length, right? So 450 is the answer for this question.